Hey, it's Frank.
Smoke weed every day.
Looks interesting. Look what I just found.
Here I am, Snail.
Whoa!
I'm always happy to give you
Weed every day.
You don't even have to ask. Let's catch up with the others.
Ha-ha! Now I have you.
My Bronx niggas, my Falls niggas. I see you, little hat.
Good rhyme, Franklin.
Oh! Snail? What are you doing?
Gotcha, bitch.
Save your breath, Snail. Just whistle when you need.
Weed.
I'm never far away.
Hey! This would look good on the nature table. So would this.
Weed.
Do you think maybe it's just a little too big? I don't think so, but I may need help putting it in my knapsack.
Hey guys, look at this. A wasp's nest.
What you doing, son?
It's the fastest I've ever run.
Me too. How about you, Snail? Snail! Snail!
Here I am, Franklin.
Snail? Is that you?
Yo.
Snail! Are you okay? I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to forget.
Weed.
Thanks, Franklin, but you found him.
I was worried.
Same here.
Yeah, me too.
You can't go in there, Snail. You might get lost.
What? Whoa!
Don't worry, Snail. From now on, I'm going to take really good care of you. I won't forget you again. I promise.
I haven't found anything yet, but I will.
Don't worry about it, Snail. I've got something
Weed.
I can give you. Or I can just carry it for you.
I don't want you to. I want to find something
Weed.
myself.
What did I do? I just wanted to help you, that's all. Wasn't I helping?
Yes, but you're
Smoke weed.
too much.
Too much? How do you
Smoke weed.
too much?
Wow, I found something really, really neat. And there's enough for everybody.
Let's go.
Yeah, come on.
Go. Yeah, gangster shit, groovy shit, raw shit, secret indictment shit. Yeah, secret indictments.